If you have an autoimmune disease, this video is for you.
Autoimmune disease affects more people than cancer, heart disease, and diabetes combined. It's over 80 million Americans. It's gone crazy. I mean, when you look at the data from 100 years ago, we didn't have these autoimmune diseases. Why are we seeing disease where the body is attacking itself?
Because something is perturbing the immune system. Something's got to be damaging the cells, and then the immune system sees that and starts making antibodies. Then we give you the drug, and you've made the team. You've made the team rheumatoid arthritis. You've made the team multiple sclerosis. You've made the team Hashimoto's. But what they don't tell you is that the jersey for the team is welded to your back for life. Now you've got it, you're stuck with it.
When you have an autoimmune disease, it's not a life sentence, even though traditional medicine says it's a life sentence. So many people are suffering without actually getting to the root cause, and often it's simple. If you're eating gluten and that's causing your autoimmune disease, it takes a lot of prednisone to suppress that immune response. Why wouldn't you just get rid of the gluten in the first place? Because if you look at the scientific literature,
It's all there.
it's all there.
So what they always ask is autoimmune disease reversed? My response is, how far along is it? How much destruction of tissue? So I'm looking at the whole system. And then the next layer is going to be to talk about diet. What does a person need to get, and what do they need to avoid?
If people understood what's possible, they wouldn't just passively accept that this is a chronic issue that they have to live with and manage, that this is actually treatable or reversible.
Completely agree with this one. Being over 10 years as a medical professor in nursing with my master's degree in medical education, I gotta say, they shove down our throats big pharma and processed foods. Which, did you know that big pharma and most food companies are technically owned by the same umbrella brand? So it's wild to me. I just understood this just a few years ago. And so the same foods that are making us sick and causing a lot of these autoimmune diseases, big pharma, owned by the same brand, is now treating it on monthly subscriptions. So guys, cut out all the noise, cut out all the processed foods, and go to a more organic, whole food-based diet. All that really means is that anything inside of a package, you're gonna wanna avoid. Or if you have really bad autoimmune disease and inflammation in the body, try to go on a carnivore diet. It did wonders for my brother's psoriasis.